building our Sri Lankan dream house, from foundation to roof.
Hi guys, finally I am in Sri Lanka now, and my house is not really sold yet in Belgium. Hopefully it will get the next 6 months because I really need the money. And for now I'm not in my house. That's the sad thing about the story. My house is not finishing yet because we have problems with some guys. I will not go in detail now. This is for a later story. But I'm here, I'm happy. I'm with my dogs, my wife and everything. Look at the nature, it's fantastic here. I hired the house for a good amount. This guy also helps me a lot and a lot of things for papers and whatever. So yeah, this is bird paradise where I am. But I go every day looking to my house, and I hope to live there in 1 month. But this movie is gonna go about what happened the last year. So the last year you will see some footage all about ground level to building up the whole house, how they did it. I will not talk a lot in this movie, but you can see by yourself what they all have done and accomplished in 1 year. So it's really fantastic. It is really well built also. So yes, enjoy the footage and maybe see you later. Okay, bye bye. So next what you see is the swimming pool, how they fill up the walls with concrete. Here you see the carpenter is preparing the beams for the roof. So let's look forward to the progressions that are coming. So left you see where I'm gonna live, and on the right side you see the villa that we're gonna rent out. Yeah, everything is already underground. The base is there, but you will see now the filling up of the soil, and this construction is coming behind as well. So here you see the villa Holokai that we're gonna rent out is coming out of the ground. So foundation are already made now. Then came another problem, building a pier. So we didn't heard about this yet. So they thought that it was better to build one because of the erosion and of the river. So our swimming pool don't goes to the river in 5 or 10 years. So yeah, this is another cost that was not calculated in our project. So we really needed to do this. You will see the cylinders, how they put the cylinders into the river, and later on they're gonna anchor everything further up inland with concrete beams. So at this stage you see the electricity is already made. Yes, we had some special requirements because we're gonna have some hanging furniture. So we're bringing here like new ideas in Sri Lanka, so they're not used to that, and it's also it costs a little bit of energy to explain to everybody what our vision is. But the architect and my friend Akila is helping me a lot with this, so it went pretty well. So now everything is going really fast. Hunukai, so the rent-out villa, is coming out of the ground too. So I know their capacity of building and concrete and stonework. They're really great in this, and it goes really fast day by day. So like I said, here you can see the finishing outcome of the pier. So the plumber, the electrician, almost everybody has done his rough works. So now comes the challenging point for finishing everything net and nice like we like to. So yeah, that was about how the house was built in 1 year, all the steps. But next time I'm gonna tell you more about the finishing touches and the delay that we have with some problems. For the rest, yeah, I have more movies to make, but I'm still new. It's awkward for me to be in front of a camera, but I'm doing my best. And I thought being here I had more time to do this, but it's not like this, because here you're up at, normally I should be up at 6 o'clock, but I'm up at 8 o'clock and it's already dark at 6 o'clock. So time is also very valuable in this country, but I'm doing my best. But if you want to see more things, how we bought the land, how we started, you can see my previous movies. Otherwise, stay to the channel, give me a thumbs up, you can subscribe to see more, and I promised myself to make a movie every 2 weeks at least. So see you next time, bye bye.